Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can convert Facebook account to page. In order to convert Facebook account to page, first of all update your application. After you're done updating your application, check your internet connection and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is how it's gonna look like. Now tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, it's gonna direct you to the profile page. Here tap on the three dot icon next to edit. Once you've done that, go to create account profile and then you need to tap on turn on professional mode. In my case, I won't be able to turn it on because I have a private account, which means that I've locked my profile. So in order to convert your Facebook account to page, you'll need to make sure not to have a private or locked profile. So after that, you need to just go ahead and tap on the continue button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be notified that the Facebook account has been converted to page successfully. So that's basically how you can convert Facebook account to page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.